Good morning, dear students. In the series of sequence and series, now we are doing MCQs. This is third lecture on MCQ, that is based on geometric progression. So let us start. GP. The first problem is sum of three numbers in GP is 14. If one is added to first and second and one is subtracted from the third, the new number are in AP. Let the required three numbers in GPB A, AR, AR, AR square. According to problem, their sum is what? 14. A plus AR plus AR square is what? 14. Write this as equation number 1. If one is added to first and second and one is subtracted from third, again one is added to first, A plus 1, one is added to second, AR plus 1, AR plus 1, and one is subtracted from third, AR square minus 1, are in AP. So this implies when they are in AP, 2 times middle number is equal to sum of first and last. A plus 1 plus AR square minus 1. Therefore, 2AR plus 2 is equal to A plus AR square. From this, A plus AR square is what? 14 minus AR. So 2AR is what? 2AR plus 2. From equation number 1, A plus AR square is what? 14 minus AR. From 1. Bring AR on this side. So 3 times AR is what? 12. So AR is what? 3 4 are 12. So from here, A is what? R by 4. Now replace in equation number 1. Equation 1 becomes, from here the value of R is what? 4 by A. Equation 1 becomes A plus AR is nothing but 4 plus AR square will be what? AR into R. So 4R is equal to 14. Now transfer 4 on that side. So this will give you what? A plus A plus 4 into R is replaced by 4 by A. 14 minus 4 is what? 10. Multiply throughout by A. So A square plus 16 is equal to 10A. A square minus 10A plus 16 is equal to 0. The factors are 2 and 8. A minus 2 into A minus 8. So A is 2 or A is what? A is 8. Therefore, smallest number is what? A is equal to 2. Answer is option A. See the next problem. Consider an infinite geometric series with first term A common ratio R if its sum is what? 4 and the second term is what? 3 by 4. Then let infinite GP be A, AR, AR square and so on. With first term A and common ratio R, if its sum is what? 4. So S infinity is what? 4. But by formula S infinity is what? A upon 1 minus R. Is equal to 4. And second term is what? 3 by 4. Second term is what? AR. 3 by 4. So from here, A is what? 4 minus 4R and from here we can find the value of R. 4R is what? 3 by A we can write. 4R is 3 by 4, 3 by A. Three by A. Three upon A. So replace here 4R by 3 upon A. So A is equal to 4 minus 3 upon A. A square is equal to 4A minus 3. A square minus 4A plus 3 is equal to 0. So factors are A minus 1, A minus 3. So A is 1 or A is equal to 1 or A is what? A is 3. When A is 1, R will be 3 by 4. When A is 1, R will be 3 by 4 and or when A is 3, 1 by 4. A is 3, R is 1 by 4. R is 1 by 4. The answer is A1, R3 by 4, A3, R1 by 4. D is the answer. See the next problem. If S1, S2, S3 are respectively the sum of n, 2n, 3n terms of GP, then S1 minus into S3 minus S2 upon S2 minus S1 square is equal to. Let A be first term, and R be common ratio of GP. S1 is what? Sn. A into R raised to n S2 is what? Sum of two n terms. S to n A into R raised to 2n upon R minus 1. This can be written as A into R raised to n minus 1 into R raised to n plus 1 upon R minus 1, which can also be written as S1 into R raised to n plus 1. Let it be. S3 is what? S3n. A into R raised to 3n minus 1 upon r minus 1. This can be written as a into, this is r raised to n cube. So we'll give you what? R raised to n minus 1 into r raised to 2n plus r raised to n plus 1. Plus 1 divided by r minus 1. Now we'll find out S3 minus S2. Consider S3 minus S2. S3 is what? A into r raised to n minus 1, r raised to 2n plus r raised to n r raised to 2n plus r raised to n plus 1. Divided by r minus 1, and S2 is this, minus a into r raised to n minus 1 into r raised to n plus 1. फिर से बीमारी चालू हो गई. A into r raised to n divided by r minus 1. Now we can take a r raised to n, a into r raised to n minus 1 upon r minus 1 common. So in bracket you will get r raised to 2n plus r raised to n plus 1 minus r raised to n minus 1. So this will get cancelled, r raised to 2n. So finally what you are getting? This will give you a into r raised to 2n minus into r raised to n minus 1 upon r minus 1. Because r raised to n minus r raised to n plus 1 minus 1 will get cancelled. R raised to 2n I wrote before a. This is S3 minus S2. What about S2 minus S1? Therefore S1 into S3 minus S2. S1 is what? A into r raised to n minus 1 upon r minus 1, and this difference we got a into r raised to 2n a into r raised to 2n r raised to 2n into r raised to n minus 1 divided by r minus 1. Will give you a square r raised to 2n r raised to n minus 1 square divided by r minus 1 square. R minus 1 square. This is our numerator. Now s2 minus s1 square we will find out. Consider s2 minus s1 square will give you s2 is what? ar raised to n minus 1 into r raised to n plus 1 upon r minus 1 minus a into r raised to a into r raised to n minus 1 upon r minus 1 the whole square minus a into r raised to n minus 1 upon r minus 1 a into r raised to n minus 1 into r raised to n plus 1 upon r minus 1 minus a into r raised to n minus 1 upon r minus 1 the whole square. Now we will take a r raised to n minus 1 common upon r minus 1 also. In bracket you will get r raised to n plus 1 minus 1 the whole square a into r raised to n, and this will give you what? R raised to n upon r minus 1 the whole square, which is same as a square r raised to 2n into r raised to n minus 1 the whole square upon r minus 1 the whole square. Now we have to find out their ratio. A square s1 both are same, s1 into s3 minus s1 a square r raised to 2n, so it will give you what? 1. Consider s1 into s3 minus s2 upon s2 minus s1 the whole square is what? A square r raised to 2n r raised to n minus 1 the whole square upon r minus 1 square whole divided by same thing, a square r raised to 2n r raised to n minus 1 square upon r minus 1 square will give you what? Answer A. See the next example. See, A, B, C, D are in GP. Are in GP. So this implies B is equal to AR. C is what? AR square. And D is what? AR cube. Consider 1 upon A cube plus B cube the value of this is what? 1 upon A cube plus A cube R cube. 1 upon A cube common in bracket 1 plus R cube. 1 upon B cube plus C cube. 1 upon A cube R cube plus 1 upon A cube R raised to 6 will give you 1 upon A cube R cube common. So 1 plus R cube and 1 upon C cube plus D cube will give you 1 upon A cube R raised to 6 plus A cube R raised to 9. 1 upon A cube R raised to 6. We can take A cube R raised to 6 common. So 1 plus R cube. Now this upon this will give you what? 1 upon R cube. Clearly, there is common ratio of 1 upon R cube between two consecutive terms. So this implies the given terms are in GP. Answer B. See the next. The sum of infinite GP P, 1, 1 upon P, 1 upon P square is 9 by 2. Then the value of P is since P 1 by P 1 by P square and so on is infinite GP with first term A is equal to P and R is equal to 1 upon P. S infinity is given to be 9 by 2. But S infinity is what? A upon 1 minus R is what? 9 by 2. A is what? P upon 1 minus 1 upon P, P square upon P minus 1. Cross multiply. So 2P square is what? 9P minus 9. 2P square minus 9P plus 9 is equal to 0. Now factorize 18 in such a way so that after subtraction addition you must get 9. 6 3 are 18. So 2P square minus 6P minus 3P plus 9 is equal to 0. Take 2P common, so P minus 3 minus 3 common, P minus 3 is equal to 0. P minus 3 common. P minus 3 common, you'll get 2P minus 3. So P is 3 or P is 3 by 2. It is B. Answer B. The value of 6 raised to half into 6 raised to 1 by 4. Consider 6 raised to half into 6 raised to 1 by 4 into 6 raised to 1 by 8 and so on to infinity, which will give 6 raised to 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 8 to infinity. Now this is infinite GP with first term 1 by 2 and common ratio also 1 by 2. So sum is what? 6 raised to A upon 1 minus R. A is 1 by 2 upon 1 minus 1 by 2. Since S infinity is what? A upon 1 minus R. Six raised to 1 by 2 upon 6 raised to 1, which is equal to 6. Answer B. If the sum of series sigma n takes value from 0 to infinity r raised to n, modulus r is what? Less than 1 is S. So this is infinite GP. Then sum of series we have to find out r raised to 2n. Look here. Sigma r raised to n takes value from 0 to infinity is given to be S. Therefore, n is 0, so 1 plus r square plus r cube to infinity is what? S. So 1 upon 1 minus r is equal to S. So from here we can find out r, because second one is what we want in terms of S. So what is value of r? take reciprocal. So 1 minus r is equal to 1 upon s. So r is what? 1 minus 1 upon s will give you what? S minus 1 upon s. This is the value of r. Now our aim is what? Consider sigma r takes value from 0 to infinity r raised to 2n. It is what? 1 plus r square plus r raised to 4. Then r raised to 6 and so on. This is sum of infinite GP with first term 1 and common ratio r square. So this will give you a upon 1 minus, and the value of r we got this is equal to 1 upon 1 minus r is replaced by s minus 1 upon s. One upon 1 minus s square minus 2s plus 1 divided by s square. S square LCM will go up. So s square upon minus s square plus 2s minus 1. So s square upon 2s minus 1. Answer D. Thank you very much. We'll continue further. In description you will get PDF notes, everything. Today's quote is what? Health first. When health is there, you got wealth. So health is first, life secured. When health is there, your life is secured. Thank you very much.